chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Good morning. I am gonna start getting ready. I'm up really early, about 6 o'clock every morning now that the girls are back in school, so it's so nice. I actually feel refreshed in the mornings now to get ready, to come on camera. I have energy again, so it's really refreshing. I just finished doing my entire office. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did an entire reel with you guys today how that looks. Go to Rare Beauty. This is her Pore Diffusing Primer. I love this primer. It's really nice and silky. Got some lip oil. I'm going in with the Doll10 foundation. This is so nice. Favorite foundation right now. And it's so nice because it gives full coverage, but it's very lightweight. It applies really smoothly. It lasts all day on the skin. I've always been such a foundation junkie. So like I have always really liked not feeling foundation on my skin. I'm gonna go in with my dual brush right here. The Pro Foundation is my favorite for foundation. First off, I want to say, I don't know if you guys have seen online right now, but there are fires right now in California, and you guys know I have a lot of friends in California, and it's just so heartbreaking and sad. So my prayers go out to everybody that has been affected. They're able to evacuate everybody, but even like where I used to stay in Santa Monica, there's fires there, and it's drastic, and it's just so sad. I know we've experienced that here in Alberta, like there's always forest fires in BC, but they're usually able to put them out quite quickly. So I mean, I really hope everyone stays safe out there. Another thing I did on my Instagram is I asked you guys where you're from. I haven't done that in a while, and it's always so interesting to see where everyone is from. I had places from all over the world. Oh, cool. Places I've never been to, places I've dreamt of going, of Europe, Philippines, Brazil, Ecuador, Greece, places all over the world. Really neat to see. And lots of people in Canada too. So there was a lot of people in Calgary, people in BC, and where I'm from, Vancouver. It was really cool to do a little bit more of this on. It's just been so dry because the climate here. So layer on hydration sprays and anything I can do to have hydration in my skin. New concealer actually, because this one is dried out and I need to buy a new one. And with my finger, I can warm up the product. I've been using this for quite a while now. I need to get a new one actually very soon. Kosas Powder. This is the Comfy Cloud Set. It's amazing. This stuff like blurs your skin. And it gives you a little bit of color, which I like too. Sometimes I find it translucent powders, they just kind of like white out your skin a bit. It just adds a little bit of color. It sets so nicely. Already seen, everyone's always so ahead of the game with their shopping. Like, I feel like people were shopping for Christmas decor back in like September. In September, I have the girl's birthday, so after that, I like to take a break. There's obviously Halloween, but like I feel like people just skip to Christmas. Now is Valentine's Day, obviously. So I went out to do some shopping. I only found a few things because they didn't have Valentine's Day stuff out. They had like a little tiny section. Really like anything. I got a few things like a new mug. This cute mug, I haven't used it yet, but it is very cute. It's just like lacking in slow. Canada Post here went on strike, so I don't know if that affected it, but I don't see how that would. Stores get like freight shipments of products and stuff, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but there's like no Valentine's Day stuff. That or I'll just shop online, but nice seeing what they have out in stores. Are you guys big like Valentine's Day decorators? I'm not huge, but obviously you guys know I love pink, so like I love to shop during that time and redecorate. I find I do a lot of florals in January. That's what I've been doing. Like I'm obsessed with vases, so I have them all over my house and I don't have enough florals. So that's something that I did the other day. I picked up these really pretty pink florals because just to buy real florals or even dried florals are very expensive these days. I only do a 10-minute makeup these days, and it's nice. It's very, like, I like it. It's still glam, but it's not crazy makeup, and it's just very nice and quick. This weekend, I actually have my girlfriend's engagement party, so that should be fun. It's on Saturday for my hair install, which is starting to slip a little bit here in the front. But if you guys didn't know, I've been getting the mesh integration system for over a year now. I love it so much. If you guys have alopecia or hair loss, it is a game changer. I can't tell you enough. Like the wigs that I was wearing before, they got hot, they got heavy throughout the day, and then you have to take them off. Like this is just such a nice thing to have because you don't have to take it off and you constantly feel like you have long luscious hair, which I miss so much. Like my hair used to be extremely healthy, and I mean, I was obviously on steroids and I was doing injections and stuff, which was really hard on my body, especially growing up now. Like I can't do it like I did before, and it would just affect more my hormones. I'm almost mid-30s, so it's just too hard to do on my body. But this hair system has been a game changer. So basically what you do, it's a topper. I have my topper that they sew into the mesh, and then the bottom you have hair as well. So it's just like, it's so nice. You're covered on the top, you're covered, you know, where you have your hair loss, which mine is like a halo. Much coverage, and I love it, and I don't have to worry. So the first install is expensive, which is buying the hair, but after that you don't, like, I don't think I replaced my hair for about just over a year, so it lasts a long time, which I really, really like. Honestly, the wigs were more expensive, and I didn't like them. Like, yeah, I just, I have never liked a hair piece as much as I like this one. Tape-ins I had before. I've tried every extension on the planet, and this is just the most comfortable and easy to manage, so it's been really nice. Also, I love this blush. This is the Happy Blush for Beauty. And another product I've been like obsessed with hers, and I think I bought it when I was in the States. Are they in here? Yes. This is amazing. It applies so nicely and looks so nice on the skin. Liquid Luminizer Transcend. So I am just gonna put a little bit of that on. Apply. I also am wearing my bow pajamas. I got these at Target when I was in the States when we went to Palm Springs, and they're so comfortable. Wear whatever you want. I use my finger, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush. Last time, actually, my mom noticed when we were going to Disneyland. We arrived there at like 6 in the morning. We were like one of the first to arrive because we had to drive from Palm Springs, and I put this on, but it was like this line because I let it dry and I forgot to use my finger to brush it out. So I had to, it was so hard that I had to like use a brush to kind of spread it on my skin. Looks really, really nice and natural. A little bit on the nose and with a little bit. I found the other day this bow dispenser for soap. It's so cute. It's $12.99. It in our powder room, but I do need to find like a tray to put it on and some other things. So I thought that was really cute. But yeah, yesterday I got to watching some really old videos of my old beauty room setup that I had. Just like, I miss having a beauty room. I find I'm like filming in different rooms in this house. I have my closet, I have now my office, and also my makeup vanity. Film enough at my makeup vanity, and I don't know why, like filming the other way so you actually see my bathtub and like my shower. Hoping that I can kind of get like a setup. I miss having my like impressions vanity and having set up, and I don't know, I'm hoping I can like get something like that again, because like I miss putting makeup in my drawers and just like getting excited to film and having everything laid out. I probably have some clips to share with you of where I was getting my old inspo of my old filming skills back into my videos now, and that would, yeah, that would be really nice. I really miss that setup I had, so I can figure that out. The amount of times I've been asked if I've ever gotten my lips done. Naturally big lips though, like my whole family does. If you put me, my mom, and my brother next to each other, we obviously don't look alike just because our ethnicities and everything like that. Me and my brother are both mixed, obviously. Put us all side by side. We have the same nose, we have the same mouth, same teeth, and lips. Really big, ginormous lips. But the trick is you just outline your lips a little bit bigger and they tend to look really big. Like, you don't even need lip plumper. I think a lip liner works just as good, if not better. Flower nose. They have the prettiest makeup. I didn't know too, because I'm like, okay, you could have really nice packaging and then your products not be as good, but the quality is there. They have really silky lipsticks that just, they feel so nice on the lips. I'm gonna put that back. I have this fragrance, Chantel got it for me. It's the Love Shack Fancy Sugar Blush. It smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. Oh my God, you guys, I've posted this so much on my Instagram. I don't really like sweet scents, but when I smelled this in the store, I actually sprayed it on my skin, went to lunch with my friend, and then I couldn't stop smelling myself. That's how I know if I like a fragrance or not, to go back and get it. It's the Yum Bougie Marshmallow. Can't like get over how good this smells. And these right here I've been drinking in the morning. It gives me so much energy. It's the Joy Burst Renew Mind and Body from Costco. I don't know, I was doing like the packets for a while, but these, it's just like you pick one out of the fridge, you're ready to go. Electrolytes, so easy. But I do drink a lot of water, but if I need a little bit more energy, I'll have this. Just have one coffee a day and not have ones throughout the day. I'm doing pretty good so far. Too much coffee, I just get so jittery. As much as I love coffee, like I need that first cup in the morning at 1 o'clock or during the day. I'm so jittery. I personally love starting out my videos like this too. So I am gonna go upstairs, change, and then we can do some shopping. Eggs for breakfast. Also finally got a wood cutting board and it was only $20. Marshalls. The ones I saw on Amazon were over $100 and it's really nice quality. And I also like how it has the lining here. It's really nice. Bow mug, I just had my coffee because I've been up since 6. But the girls are back in school, but I am gonna be getting ready soon and starting my day. It's insane how bare my house is right now without Christmas stuff. Plain it is. But I went to Marshall's yesterday. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I hauled. Really cute marble tray. I want to find one that's bigger, and it was $9.99, and I just think it's really cute. It's a little Valentine's Day, but also something we can like leave as decor up. And then right here I got these nice bowls. These are the Casa bowls, and I have a lot of salads, so it made sense to have really nice bowls. Since I work from home, makes sense. And glass jars, fancy straws, and the lids are in this design, which I thought would be really pretty. And, oh, I love them. Look at that. That is so cute. My pantry is an absolute mess right now. I have stuff everywhere because I was moving stuff into my office, so I have to reorganize my pantry now. I have all my cups and water bottles. I have some like coffee and tea containers. To Costco yesterday, I've got so much Costco stuff. These pitted dates. This is my favorite thing on top of a salad ever. Like this is all you need. You'll have peanuts are an addiction. These are so good. Heavenly Hunks oatmeal dark chocolate. So good. Kitchen is so bare right now. I hardly have any stuff out. States, it's definitely different because I've seen so many of you guys post Valentine's Day stuff. I have not been finding a lot of stuff. Marshalls and Winners the other day, there was nothing. Like their aisles were just like, there's nothing in there. I am gonna check today to see if there is Valentine's Day stuff yet because I want to start buying. How cute this is. I've had this for years. I don't know, I might invest in getting another one because all I do is move this around all over my house when I'm filming. Another one. I think they're really pretty. So I want to say I've had this for like, what, 6 years? Like I had it at our old house, I think. So it's been a hot minute. second half of the haul that I got. So a few of these things are gonna be for my giveaway that I'm doing. So this is for my giveaway. I'm gonna do like a Valentine's Day basket. Also, you guys loved the 2-piece coffee set. I found some more at HomeSense. So the Paris Hilton one, the little bows. I have this right here, which I love, the hand washes at HomeSense for our powder room. Here, I wasn't gonna get this, but I'm like, you know what? It is cute. Just thought I could like put this, I don't know, somewhere kitchen, and they just look really cute. Did pick up a different candle, then I quickly put it back and got this one. I liked the big heart. I thought I could like cook with this and make videos and it would be really cute. So it's quite large too, which I like. Very small HomeSense haul, but I wanted to quickly show you guys. I found this cute little martini set. Comes with like a little glass. And then right here for espresso, it's from the Paris Hilton collection. So I got that. Thought that was really cute. Also, I got these for the girls. They're just like little Tupperware storage. They were $8.99. And then I needed a day planner. This one I wasn't like super set on, but I just need one now. So I just thought this would be nice to use. It had lots of space for like the days and stuff. I just need to start writing stuff down. This one is a 2025 planner. These florals, I know. Okay, so I love this vase I have. This is from Pottery Barn. It was very expensive. It is so hard to find florals to fit in it. And these looked really pink when I was in the store, but now looking at it, I have other pinks and stuff. It's looking purple now, but I still think it is nice for spring and like, I don't know, like for right now until spring. So yeah, but at least I found something. I'm just cleaning up my makeup vanity right now, and I got my nails done. I wanted to quickly show you guys some Valentine's Day hearts, which I thought would be really pretty. Very cute. And I've just been filming some reels today and doing content because I'm getting ready for my new launches, and I'm gonna have to start doing lots of stuff behind the scenes. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna start doing videos too, and sharing kind of what I do with my brand and everything like that, and share that with you, like little behind the scenes and stuff. I've got like my fragrance tray right here, and I do like how everything is set up. I just keep moving stuff though because I've been filming, but I'm gonna leave the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing today's video, a little bit of a chit chat and some shopping, and I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in my next one very soon.